Welcome to Session 3, Solving Linear Equations. Today you will solve linear equations using inverse operations, organize equations with variables on both sides, and distinguish 1, 0, and infinitely many solutions. Watch the structure, not just the arithmetic, because each move must preserve the meaning of the problem. The visual gives us the central idea. The balance is not merely a metaphor. An equal sign claims that both sides have the same value. Removing a weight from only one side breaks that claim. Algebraic moves are valid because they transform both equal quantities in the same way. Use this first move. Simplify each side separately by distributing and combining like terms. Then, move variable terms to one side and constants to the other. Worked example, two-step equation. Solve 5x7 equals 18. Step 1. Add 7 to both sides. 5x equals 25. Step 2. Divide both sides by 5. X equals 5. Step 3. Check. 5 minus 7 equals 25 minus 7 equals 18. The final answer is x equals 5. Check that it satisfies the original conditions and carries the correct units. Now it is your turn. Solve for x plus 1 minus 2 equals 18. Pause, write each algebra step, and use the next 6 seconds to finish your solution. Here is the modeled solution. The answer is x equals 4. Distribute, combine the constants, and then isolate x. Verify it against the exact wording before moving on. Session 3 recap. Simplify each side separately by distributing and combining like terms. Next, move variable terms to one side and constants to the other. Then, divide by the remaining coefficient to isolate the variable. Finally, substitute the result into the original equation, not a later simplified line. A complete solution shows the reasoning, checks the result, and states what the answer means.